So it's the last fossil hunting video of the year. Goodbye 2024, you've been a fantastic year, and hello 2025, hopefully you'll be even better. So it's been a damn good year, a really good year, and rounded it off just recently with this lovely Nautilus from Port Mulgrave. Unfortunately I didn't film the finding of it, because I'd actually done a bit of an evening hunt and it had got dark. However, an absolutely lovely find. It could be really nice, but that won't be prepped until 2025. However, I did get a few bits back just recently, so a friend of mine has collected them from preparation and done the fossil unboxing video for me, so yeah, thanks Ricardo. So yeah, I wasn't able to pick them up in time, so there's one final fossil unboxing to have a look at coming up very shortly. So just a few fossils that I collected over the last couple of months, prepared by Stone Treasures, and yeah, without further ado, here they are.
Okay, so this one is a nice Dactylioceras or Orthodactylites semicellatum. So I got this one north of Robin Hood's Bay. And that's come out with beauty. It's a nice big example and lovely preparation. Okay, let's see what the next one is. I'm glad I'm not the only one that struggles to do this stuff one-handed. It's not that easy. So let's see what this one is. Oh, it's double wrapped. Get in there. There's a little layer of paper in this lot. Oh, I know what this one is.
What's that down there? Is that a nodule? Possibly. Well, we'll give it a bash and see. I found a few. There's a few little Cardioceras in there. Little one in there. I might break that down a little further. But that looks like it might be a big one. Let's hope.
Look at that. That is a big fat Cardioceras. Cardioceras Bukowski. It's from the Cordatum subzone. Lovely. Again, Yorkshire coast from the Upper Jurassic. Okay. Next one. Oh, he's going for the little one. Will this be? Oh, it's a lovely bit of jet rock material, so a lovely Eleganticerous cluster. So again, I think this one was from Sands End. Take a little trip up to Sands End again with Kevin. The back's not so good, but yeah, that front one is lovely. Lovely little cluster there. Fantastic. And the last one. So if memory serves, this will be one I collected while out on a hunt with DJ Fossils. Get in there. Double wrapped again. No, I'm glad I didn't do this fossil unboxing. Too much hard work. We're getting there now. And there we go. So that is a lovely multi-block.
Nice one. Lovely little Gramoceras. That's a nice thick whorled one as well. I've had a few of these where they're quite thick on the outer whorl. So yeah, I can't remember what you call it.
Very nice.
Yeah,
my
lovely.
first Gramo. Happy with
nice.
that.
Ooh, that'll do me. I think that looks like a good one.
Look at that! I can see some keels. Oh! There's at least 2 keels there. 1 keel there. Oh, that's a nice one. Ah, brilliant. Proper nice gramo block. That's going to be nice, that. 1, 2, 3 decent gramos in there. Probably more, they're always multi-blocks. Fantastic. I wasn't quite sure what they were. They're probably Gramoceros, but they could have been something else, and I think they are Gramoceros, but that's a pretty unique block, is that, with belemnites there, and I'm not sure if that is a large apticus or whether it's a bit of belemnite phragmocone, or even a bit of bone just behind that cluster of Gramoceros. Bit of triangular piece there, but yeah, pretty unique Gramoceros piece, that. Fantastic. Some lovely Gramoceros in there. That's come up really well. Yeah, big thank you to Ricardo for unboxing these for us and picking them up. And we'll be meeting Ricardo again in a couple of weeks' time down in Dorset, so make sure you subscribe for that video. Yeah, I'd like to thank everybody who's helped with the channel, so to all my subscribers, thank you very much for lending me your subscription. Thanks for watching the videos. It's all appreciated. The channel's grown immensely this year, so we're up at almost 4,500 subscribers now, which is really nice to see. So quite a way off getting that YouTube play button, and that's my target. That might be a few years yet, but yeah, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. Lots and lots of content coming up in 2025. We've got a trip to France in the planning. I'll be down in Dorset in Charmouth area for a few days in January. Lots more Yorkshire coast fossil hunting, and we'll try and bring some fossil hunting from other places where people don't always go. So yeah, always good to have a look around at places, and yeah, hopefully we'll get a chance to make lots more videos next year. So I'm just waiting on delivery of my new camera, which should be good. Hopefully that'll help with the video quality. Let's try a bit of 8K. So I'm going to chisel some ammonites. Let's see if we can. Hang on. I think you might be better off.
This
yeah,
side?
there. No, there. I think.
There. Okay.
It's going. Hang on. Alright, try there then. It's awkward, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try and get a. Oh.
It's going.
It's properly glued, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not hitting it hard.
Well, you don't want to hit it too hard because probably break it. Oh, there we go. Oh, perfect. Look at that. That's a lovely one, that, isn't it? Just give it a blow. Get the dust off. Lovely. Little splitter. Right. That's it. Is it going to be as good as the last one? Oh, it's going. That's the right spot, I think. I think that's the right spot. Keep going. Bit more. Oh!
So you do one more.
Just needed one more. So then, don't forget to give it a blow. It's alright, that innit? Not bad. Cool. Another splitter. Well, this one next, this one then.
It's not quite split off all the rock, but yeah, we'll have to prepare that one out with the air pens.
Nice.
Oh well, but it's there. Look, you can see there's a nice little one in there.
Ready?
Shoosh.
It's alright though, isn't it?
That's good.
We're on this one next, are we?